Hi everybody, I'm Olivia from Brand New Photography. Today I'm taking you guys behind the scene of a personal branding shoot, and today I'm shooting Tam, the brand designer. Personal branding photography is a way for entrepreneurs to capture the face behind the brand. It's a great way to show your audience what you do and what makes your brand so unique. Bringing props for your shoot is extremely important, which is why today Tam has brought many with her today. Color swatches, she's brought some beautiful flowers, some stationery, some brand books, and all of these will contribute to the visual story that we are trying to create today. So when you're planning for your photo shoot, you want to bring clothes that will reflect your personality, but you also want to stay on brand. So like Tam did here, she brought an array of clothes that all represent her brand colors. Choosing your location for your brand photo shoot is also very important. Today we've chosen Maven, which is an open co-working space for businesswomen here in Winchester. We've chosen this venue because it's bright, it's got lots of natural daylight, and it's a great context for Tam as the brand designer to be in this sort of feminine and office space.
Telling your story at the moment in your branding is such an important way of really connecting with your audience. So having a personal brand photo shoot done professionally is a really great way of elevating a business owner. Having those creative, consistent images out there really will help distinguish me in my industry.
So I've taken you behind the scene of an excellent personal branding shoot. I hope that you got a good sense of what it is. We've talked about brand identity, we've talked about preparing the right clothes, bringing the right props, and choosing the right location. Hope you've enjoyed, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.